Good afternoon, everybody. This is Abi Nag, the community manager at Intersect, and I have joined with our amazing dev advocate, Udai Salaki, today. We are at an amazing event, and I would want to talk to you about this event a bit. But first, let's talk about our some of our questions onto what is open source, since you're a dev advocate at that. So, in one sentence, can you tell us why should developers care about open source in Cardano?
Yeah, so it's very difficult to define in one sentence. Open source, I think, is the future. For the developers, it provides a lot of opportunities, starting with the learning. Through the open source platforms, they learn as well as contribute. And of course, it has to be rewarding eventually. So I think the open source bring lot for the developers, and it is the way the decentralized world is progressing forward. Open source, I think, is critical play there.
Amazing. Okay, so my next question is, what is your core mission as a dev advocate for the open source at Intersect?
Yeah, so we starting first with preparing enough infrastructure or as a material for the new developers to onboard, right? So first to prepare the enough material or infrastructure, and then make various developer to aware about it, attract them, tell them about the the strength area, and also opportunities about the Cardano, and then bring them, onboard them, and assist them, and make sure we give them good developer experience throughout while they are involved in open source. So yeah, we need to kind of prepare the enough material, make them aware, bring them on board successfully, and give them good experience.
Thank you, Udai. Now, I know you have been a dev advocate for our open source at Intersect for a year now, and I know because I've been in many calls with you, and it's been great. But I want to know from your eyes, what's been the most rewarding moment for you being a dev advocate for Intersect?
Sure. So let me tell you, Abik, I've been already working with the developers and onboarding developers on Cardano before even open source, this dev advocate role. But while I've been working with Intersect on this open source office, I mean, it's been amazing to work with the different set of people in different kind of subcommittees and working groups, kind of the things, and working. Even we are not yet kind of touched the core libraries, but yes, towards that, working on the library working group, the open source libraries working group, and the different working groups which are and are more deeper than I worked before. So that's kind of something that's been amazing.
Awesome. And my last question to you is, how would you measure success as a dev advocacy?
Yeah, I mean, that's something, how much we could attract the developers, how many developers we can retain, and what kind of the happiness or that glue or the stickiness we can bring among the developers while they are working on the open source Cardano.
Thank you, Udai, and thank you for arranging this amazing event for us. Hope to see more of these events coming into India, all around India, and see you in the next events. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We continue working on it.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.